Lock. Open. And I'm gonna let you try the ignition.
Okay.
Should be fairly simple.
I'm gonna try on this side because I can't reach on this side.
Yeah, it's easier to get.
Okay. Yes, it works.
Awesome.
I'm gonna try to. Why was this key so hard to make? Because you've been here for almost a day.
It's a 10 cut, and it's been done by impression. So for filing every cut times 40, so it's about 40 times 2, it's about 80 filing to get this one key.
And a normal key is how many cuts?
6 to 8.
So like twice as long.
Yeah,
Okay. Well, thank you very much, sir.
absolutely.
What's the name of the company?
Global Lock.
Global Lock. Global
Yeah.
Lock. Okay. In Las Vegas, guys.
All right.
Hey everyone, so I got 2 keys made this time. So let's make sure they work, both of them. And that one is it. Okay, so this one, this one's for the door, right? I don't want to break it.
That'll work.
Yeah. Let me try the other side.
Yeah, maybe.
I opened the door yesterday with this.
Want me to keep filming?
Yeah, keep filming. Okay, this one. This one definitely opens this one.
Well, is this one even? Is this door even closed? This door's not closed.
Oh, is that the problem?
Yeah, this door's not even closed.
Oh, okay, here, try it again.
Well, the door's not closed. You might have to try and open it from the inside right now because the door's not even closed all the way. So I don't think you can unlock it because the door's not closed. So I'm saying you're gonna have to reach through and unlock it from the inside. So it's not closed.
I see what you're saying.
Now you might be able to unlock it. But maybe it only does the one side.
No, I look at it. Huh. This one doesn't do that one, but let's see if this one does the door.
At least it does the other side. And do they do the ignition? Because maybe they're all different keys. Wouldn't that be some? Why is it? Oh, you must have hit that.
Okay. Well,
Hey.
just, if that works. And this one. The only problem is the key works, but this,
It's the door.
yeah, the door. Try to open it now.
Okay.
Okay. So, let's see. So it's the issue is not this key. I think you broke the lock. Okay, well, anyways, we got keys at work. I'll have to call the locksmith about what happened to this. About this one up there. 'Cause now it doesn't. Okay, well, I'm going. So tomorrow they're going to pick up the car and then we're going to ship it off. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to work on the car. So yeah, this. It's like this thing doesn't want to turn it now. So I'll have to call him about that. All right, guys, so that was the ordeal of getting this key made for this car that never should have happened. This is what occurred when we had the tow truck driver drop it off. He doesn't remember where he put the key. He says he put it on the floor. It's not there. We never touched it. The car's not mobile. So, nevertheless, we had the key made. It cost, well, you can look up how much these cost. And it took some time. So, but we're excited now because now we are ready to get this onto the next mode, which would be to have it towed to have a diagnostic done tomorrow.